Hey, what is going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning into this video. And today I wanted to show you this i5 7400. We will be applying liquid metal on it, so let's go ahead and get started with that. So I do have a delidding toolkit here. Again, it is that 7400 from our HP computer. Alright, so after that, what we're gonna do is just screw it down. Once you get to a certain point, you want to make sure everything is tightened down. Everything is tightened down until you feel pressure there, and then we will be applying some pressure. So as you can see, got the processor right there. Just go ahead and twist this. Once you hear that noise, that's scary but very satisfying noise. The IHS is off of the CPU die, or off the CPU. Of course, you want to be careful here not to drop it. So, oh, just like that. Wow. Holy smokes. And they were very conservative with that. So, yep, and there you go. So let's go ahead and watch me work. Alright, so now that we got that all cleared up, and next thing we're gonna do is gonna get the gasket here. And what the problem is that, you know, as you can see on here, the liquid metal is gonna be applied onto the die here. If you can't see this, which I'll show you right here on camera, you see those little 4-pin connectors right there? That's the problem. So liquid metal is very conductive. So I don't want that to be, I don't want liquid metal to be applied onto that and possibly causing some sort of some short, or, you know, basically making this defective. I am going to put something on there to cover it up. So we got this just gasket maker. I think I've had this from like a car or something like that. Just grabbed a little bit right there. Yeah, it's not ideal, but it's gonna get the job done. It covered those pins, and yeah, let's go ahead and get on it with the liquid metal. And just to be clear, clearly states on their warning, do not use with aluminum heat sinks. Alright, now you gotta be very careful because this stuff just comes off, and if you put too much, you can always suck it back up with this thing. There we go. That looks good. Yeah, I think that's good enough. So the next thing we're gonna do is apply the gasket maker around this and close it back up. Alright, so the great thing about this delidding tool is that it also has the equipment to be able to hold on to the IHS here while it dries up, the gasket around it dries up. And yeah, that's definitely something very positive. So as you can see right here, it has this tool right here, and yeah, probably move it just a little bit that way. Alright, yeah, so as you can see, I for sure, just with my eye, did not have this thing aligned properly. And by using this, I'm able to do so. And if I remember correctly, I tighten those up. So I tighten these two right here, and then I go ahead and just tighten this. I'm not gonna go ahead and crush it, of course not, but I'm gonna give it I just gave it a nice little pressure. It feels pretty sturdy on there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and let this thing dry. Now as you can see, the gasket material is around the CPU. It is aligned properly using this tool right here, and yeah, they recommend 24 hours, but I can say I have taken this off at 18 hours and it was completely fine. I don't know if you want to risk doing it a lot sooner, but I did it at about, again, 18 hours, and it came out fine on my 7500, i5 7500. So yeah, as you can see, there's like a little gap right there because of the pressure that I applied on here. So this end did lift up, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like this for, again, until tomorrow, maybe tomorrow morning, and I'll get back with you.